Wine, poetry of the earth. Developing an exceptional wine depends on many things. The quality of the grapes, the composition of the soil, careful processing, and of course, optimum storage conditions. Incorporating the very latest technologies, Liebherr wine cabinets offer impeccable storage conditions. Even if ambient temperatures fluctuate considerably, Liebherr wine cabinets maintain a constant interior temperature at the level that has been set. The Liebherr range offers ultimate flexibility with wine cabinets that come with up to 3 wine safes. Each safe can be independently set to between 41 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit, equal to 5 to 20 degrees Celsius, as desired, using the precise electronic control system. In this way, a single appliance can simultaneously store red wine, white wine, and champagne, each at the perfect serving temperature. Liebherr wine cabinets have dimmable LED lighting and insulated glass doors with UV protection. Pull-out presentation shelves are ideal for showcasing fine wines. For many years, renowned sommeliers have put their trust in the premium quality of Liebherr wine cabinets. With constant temperatures and optimum humidity levels, wine corks remain supple. An activated charcoal filter is fitted in each wine safe, guaranteeing ideal air quality during the maturation process. Quality comes first with Liebherr in the production of every component. Quality down to every last detail. Tested by specialists, even under extreme conditions in our climate laboratories, to ensure excellence. If you are storing wines over prolonged periods, leave them in tranquility. With fully vibration-damped components, Liebherr wine cabinets are incredibly quiet and provide ideal storage conditions for pampering your wines. Specially developed compressors and highly efficient electronic components optimize performance for low energy consumption. Doors are fitted with soft closing technology, keeping vibrations to an absolute minimum when bottles are removed. Our wine storage cabinets offer similar conditions to those of a wine cellar. All Liebherr wine cabinets are flawlessly designed to meet every need. Wine is pleasure. Wine is a way of life. Liebherr, wine cabinets engineered for the ultimate enjoyment of wine.